Please count on our support. Day and night, we are with you. This little support we have brought, and the others, we will do it again. We will support you until all of us together, a stable and peaceful Somalia is good for Kenya, is good for our region, and is good for the world. We will support you. We will help you treat the injured forces in our premier hospitals in Kenya. We will speak for you at the international forums, and we will speak for the good work the federal government under President Hassan is doing. Today, I just came to see President Hassan to show solidarity with him, to show the world that there is positive development in Somalia in terms of the peace and stability of this country and the region is concerned.